Hi, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching already. I'm preparing the chassis to get underneath the car, so I have to remove the carpets for that. I will show you how I do that. It's easy, it's not difficult, but it's a little trick I have seen and I use that now. So we can the chassis take underneath it then and clean that chassis totally up. That will be in next video. But first of all, these carpets has since 1955 never been removed. There has some wear, but that's no problem. It's the originality. Sorry. I have cleaned them up already. A lot of dirt in it, a lot of holes. I will leave them like that. It's a part of the car, so I will never take that out until there's totally a restoration of the car. So let's get started and see how easy they come out. If you don't want to lose this pen here, take some tape and put it around it. Oops, there it goes. And it will stay inside. Okay, we can pull that carpet off now. I will be gently with this old carpet. There it goes. going to try to take this carpet out without making any damage. Now we can take this out very gently. That's how I do it. There it is. Yep, very filthy. Glad they are out. Yeah, blow them out, clean them out. You can clean them, but you have to be very careful because this carpets are more than 50 years old, 65 years old. So otherwise, thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet, hit that subscribe button, that like button also, and notification bell too, because with every video that comes out you get a notification of that video. So hit that little bell, that thingy there, little thingy there underneath the video. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.